So as you can see, it's a bit windy right now. We're having some kind of monsoon or something, and like the chairs are moving. So I'm gonna go back inside. I'll see you guys later. As you can see, it's hailing now in Arizona, which is a very unusual thing, and it's lightning up there. Wow, that was cool. Like, it's full on hailing, as you can hear from the roof. Like from up there. And like, so I can't really go outside right now, but as you can see, it's a bit, the gate's slamming, and it's like the trees are blowing. Everything is going crazy right now. So this storm came out of nowhere, so it's kind of freaky how that happens. But like, I'm gonna just wait around and see if I can catch another thunderstrike. There's one right there. Yeah. There's the tree, and there's everything. Like, this is crazy. There's more thunder. It's like, let's turn off the light for a sec. I'll see something. That was Barmundi Boy brother, if you didn't know. There it was again, right up there. It's just crazy. So I'll bring you guys back if we get anything, but if not, Barmundi Boy out.